Right, Steph.
Yes.
So what else have we got here to show the good people of the world about the Koch Chemie range?
Right. Their range, been out about a year now, this one.
And it's top drawer.
Very, very good.
Yeah.
H9, heavy cut. One thing I really like about this, it's not that dusty.
No, it
It's
really is
got
not.
quite a nice gloss level to it as well for a heavy cut compound.
Wait
And
time.
if you've got one of them cars, glad for its scratch resistant lacquer. Something a bit tough, German car.
Wall pad.
Got the wall pad. Don't be worried about the wall pads, they're fine.
Don't be scared.
Yeah.
They've got a fair bit of grunt in them, they've got a fair bit of bite, but you generally need that with that kind of lacquer.
Yeah, you do. And the good thing with these is they're not like the old style ones. They don't throw a load of mess.
Doesn't look like you've sheared a sheep in the paint shop, does it? It really doesn't.
No, it doesn't. They're really, really good. They're easy to clean out. I love them. Yes, you're going to put holograms in the paintwork, but refine down the rest of the...
You've got plenty of stages. The other thing we should talk about is the way they chamfer the edges on this.
Yeah.
And colour coordinated, red for red, yellow for yellow. That's simple.
Yeah.
Now the way that works on a rotary polisher, mate, is unreal, fantastic.
Yeah, because you've got that little cutout in there.
Yeah.
It'll pinch, it just gives you that bit of play, doesn't it?
Yeah, it makes you feel a little bit more at ease. Fantastic.
So we've got 76mm pad,
126.
126, and then the 150.
That should fit any polisher you've got.
Yeah, absolutely.
So Steph, F6, middle of the range.
I love this. This is the one I'll go to
First
more
step.
than anything else, because this is the one where I'll go, do I need to go heavy? Do I need to go lighter?
It's a good gauge, isn't it?
Yeah, very good gauge. On light coloured cars as well, that and done.
Generally walk away from that stage.
Really good at removing minor imperfections in paintwork.
There's a fair bit of bite in it, but it flows down so lovely.
Yeah.
Amazing product.
Yeah. It's got a really nice gloss level to this as well. And again, it's not messy.
No.
So easy clean up time.
Got
Happy
to work
days.
with it.
Yeah, definitely.
Cracking product. So Steph, the two at the end, the M3, the P3.
Yeah. Love them. Absolutely love them. The gloss level from this and the hologram removal is excellent.
But then the gloss on P3 is amazing as well, because it's got a little bit of waxing with the P3.
The difference with these two, they're exactly the same products in the bottle, it's just this one's got carnauba wax built into it. So you're sort of doing 2 in 1.
Yeah, you are. You're putting a bit of wax after your finishing stage. Fantastic.
Some of the cars that we've both worked on before, we found that going from H9, we can skip F6 out and go straight into M3 or P3.
Or P3, whichever way you want to finish it.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic range there, mate.
Yeah. Really good gloss level on that. Everyone that I've shown and has used that has said it's amazing.
No
really,
fillers,
really
no silicons, nothing that people are going to whinge about.
And I think that's the good thing about the Koch Chemie compounds is they give you an honest view.
Yeah.
People will look at it and go, oh, it takes a little bit longer. It might take a little bit longer in certain aspects, but what it is giving you is an honest view.
Fantastic range.
Yeah.
So what is that little beauty you've got at the end there, mate?
1K Nano, one of our faves.
I know exactly what that is, mate. What a bit of gear that is.
Do you want to tell our good customers at home how you apply this?
Mate, I love to apply that with M pads in front of it, you know. Nice slow speed, 3-minute work time, 3-minute cure time, buff off, driving away in 3 hours.
Yeah. Dual action polisher with that, it's very quick.
Yeah, really slow speed.
And I know you like using the dual action with this because it gives you a nice level, no high spots, nice level, clean finish.
You can generally do a panel at a time, more than comfortable.
1 year protection, but you Nano Magic.
3 years just by cleaning it with Nano Magic shampoo.
Yeah,
fantastic.
Amazing. We've got this actually on trial at the minute on one of my lads' cars, and it's working really well. The contaminants are coming off really easy. The shine's still there. So
the gloss that gives just by putting that on is unreal.
Yeah. So inside the box, we obviously get this nice size bottle here. We get a little decanting bottle.
Yeah, which is more than enough.
And there's an applicator sponge inside. So if you don't want to do it with a dual action polisher, you can apply it straight with the sponge.
Yeah, absolutely.
I do use the sponge for the intricate areas that you don't want to get a backing pad, you know, big machining.
No, it's a good call.
But yeah, it's lovely.
So now we've got the van clean.
Yeah.
I think we should treat it to a bit of 1K.
Yeah. Let's go through the products.
Start with clay bar in it, and we'll go through the products. We'll show you through the range. On the black transit bonnet, we'll show you how we can make that look amazing. So, Steph, before we get anywhere near machine polishing this vehicle, for me, ring.
Yeah.
Oh, if I can get it off.
Yeah, I'm getting mine off, but...
Watches.
Yeah, I got something else for you, James.
What you got, mate?
Over here.
Oh, love this.
I've got this. There you go, sir. Congratulations.
What am I looking at here?
So, microfiber apron.
Love
Both
that.
got zips on.
See that?
Let's be extra
Hold the
cautious.
wire in Velcro.
Yeah, and you've got a few handy pockets there as well. Somewhere to stick your microfibers. Happy days.
Decent. I do feel like I should be working at a well-established coffee restaurant though, Steph.
Yeah, you do. Right, so, clay bar. Most important part. Before we touch it with a machine, we've got to make sure we've got everything off. You're not going to remove everything through the wash process.
No.
There's still going to be some bits that, even if you can't feel, good little trick for people at home, carry a bag, hand inside it, and you will feel.
Oh, amazing.
everything.
Yeah,
Absolutely
really
everything.
clever trick that.
Right, so we've got Koch Chemie's clay spray here.
Koch Chemie's clay bar here. They do it in two. They do a red one, which is a bit more aggressive.
Yeah.
They do a blue one, which is a bit more mild. I don't think we need to get that aggressive on this, man.
No, I don't think so. New vehicle. It's got a few stone chips.
Amazing,
Motorway
isn't it?
mileage. There is quite a bit on there. So we'll clay bar the bonnet before we even do anything else.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Lube me up, baby. So what's worth doing, just to heighten your senses, Steph,
Yep.
in a bag and just glide it along. Now, as we've clay barred it, it feels a hell of a lot smoother now.
Yeah.
There's very chances of putting very small mire on it, but we're machine polishing it out, so we don't really need to worry about that.
That's the thing, what you can feel on your hand.
You can't feel that without a bag. So
Yeah.
to me, that feels like glass.
Yep.
But stick your meat in a bag, mate. Different story.
Right. F6 or H9? Which one do you want to go?
I'm going to start F6, mate. I really do think that's where we should be starting, just to get a gouge, and certainly get rid of some of them scratches we've just put in it.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Let's do it.
Brilliant.
James,
Steph.
polishing stage.
Yes.
Pick your weapon of choice, mate.
Sure will.
Oh, the melee.
Love a
I
melee.
should have known that you'd have gone for this.
I love them. I really can't believe they are so good. Full Stolby,
Yeah.
so much cut. It'll cut like a rotary. It'll refine like a DA. For me, mate, this is all I need.
Yeah.
Maybe not for the little bits, but for these sort of panels, love them.
Yeah.
And you, Steph, what are you going for?
Aha. Hi, James.
Yeah,
I'm going for the XFE.
I feel the love with that one.
I do like this machine.
Yeah, I totally agree.
I mean, don't get me wrong. All Roots and all Flex machines, they are top quality.
Yeah, they really are.
But I like this. So I'm going to go with Flex. You're going to go with Roots.
The main notice I'm seeing here, mate, is that I could probably plug this in at home and drive here and it'll still be working.
Yeah, they have put a really long cable on that,
Massive lead.
but mine's anti-static. Let's go for it.
So, Steph, I think we should talk about priming the pad and how much compound to use on the pad. And
Yeah, so you've got a used pad.
Yeah.
I've got a new pad, so I'm going to put slightly more on than you are,
I'm
James.
going to still put my 4p drops. Beautiful.
Okay, the easiest way I find of priming a pad is just putting it straight on,
Yeah, I agree.
holding it in one spot, and just turn the machine on. Right, we've F6'd it.
Yeah.
We've got them light imperfections out, James.
Yeah, we've got all the scratches. But what I cannot believe for a 7-month-old vehicle is how many stone chips I've got on it.
Yeah.
Look at
there
it.
is quite a few, mate, to be fair. So you've got the small bottle of M3 in your hand.
Yeah, so I literally for refining stage. This
Okay.
is just to increase the gloss, increase the shine.
One thing to mention, we do these in 250ml and a litre as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So
very good
happy
point.
days.
Good for everybody.
All right, James, do you want to do your side?
Yeah,
I'll
again,
do
mate,
mine.
I'll be looking at my 4p drops.
I'll be more because it's a new pad.
Yeah. And then again, I'll start on my speed 2.
James, done the M3.
Yeah.
Anti-hologram.
Yeah.
Got it looking nice and shiny. Most important step before 1K Nano. Got a panel wipe.
Yeah.
Get any residue that's left on there
Off.
completely off.
So, mate, I'm not going to go glugging it on the panel. I'm just going to
Yeah.
spray it on the cloth and just glide it. We haven't got to go
The thing with
mad.
this is we need this panel surgically clean, don't we, James?
That's
so
exactly
that
it.
the 1K Nano can adhere to the clear coat.
This is all about, mate, a bit of adhesion.
So, Koch Chemie seal, panel wipe, get it off. Lovely jubbly. Nice, James.
Okay, Steph,
James, 1K Nano time.
I'm going to do the bulk of this bonnet with the machine.
Okay, important step with this.
Shake the hell
Before
out
we
of it.
decant it into there, give it a good shake.
Yeah, I've done that, mate.
Yeah,
And
excellent.
then I'm just going to draw a nice, like that.
So you do the bulk, I'll go around the nitty gritty areas with the pad.
Brilliant, suits
Okay.
me. Okay, Steph, we've applied 1K Nano
Yeah.
onto the bonnet.
It's now adhered to the clear coat.
Yeah,
So with this is now going to become our semi-permanent coating.
yeah, it's going to look amazing. Special Koch cloths,
Yep.
short pole one side, long pole the other. These are made for this product. I'm sure they are.
Okay,
So
let's get it off, James.
let's glide it off. Right, Steph,
Yeah.
we've just took 1K Nano off again.
Okay, so process, once car's cleaned, clay barred it, F6 medium cut,
Yeah,
M3 fine, panel
Panel
wipe,
wipe.
apply the 1K Nano.
Yeah.
Now that has now become our semi-permanent coating.
Looks
that's
fantastic.
now adhered to the clear coat. It's going to last around 12 months.
3 hours to cure.
Yep. 3 hours, Nano Magic shampoo, maintenance wash thereafter. Happy days.
That's done for the next 3 years.
Perfect.
Good
Nice
job.
James.
Well done, mate. So we've gone through the Koch Chemie wash process, we've gone through the Koch compounding process, we've coated the vehicle in the flagship 1K Nano. We like to think we've shown you just how easy, rewarding and fantastic these products really are.
Yeah, if you listen to me and James and our dilution ratios, we know that this is a really, really cost-effective way to keep your car in tip-top condition. And hopefully you'll join us again for more videos from me and James.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Thanks for joining us. Goodbye.
Cheers.